I'd like to take you through two kitchens I absolutely love. This first one is from Kalem Builders. It was from a home they built for a customer. The first thing I want to point out is this kitchen has 10-foot ceilings, which does so much for the room. That added height gives a much more airy feel to the whole space. And because they have these taller ceilings, they were able to take advantage of that height by putting in taller uppers, which is actually a one-piece cabinet, but there's two compartments. Gives you added storage, yes, but really it helps add elegance. It draws your eye upwards. The volume itself makes it more impressive. It's just a very popular trend with the taller uppers right now. And they went with two contrasting colors. They did white on the uppers, and then on the base cabinet and the island, they did a magma stain, a darker, warmer finish. I just love this look. And then they installed a custom wood hood, which is really attractive, goes with the cabinetry, and then they added a stained band, which ties in nicely to the cabinets below. And they installed soft close doors and drawers, which I think is really a nice feature to add in the kitchen. And one more thing I want to say about the uppers is that they're 15 inches deep, which gives you that extra space you need for platters and maybe larger plates. It's just nice to have. And the countertops they used are a quartz by Silestone. It's a premium quartz product, very attractive. And then they've taken the same quartz material and they put it on the backsplash, and they took it all the way up. So it's a full height backsplash. You can see here there's no penetrations in the backsplash, meaning there's no outlets. What they did is they put the outlets underneath the cabinets right next to the LED lighting. They're hidden. It gives a nice clean look, no grout lines. I think it's a nice trend that we're starting to see. Now they installed a very large oversized island. This one's 11 feet long and it's 4 feet in depth, which you can have a lot of space on the non-working side for platters, party platters, have a meal. It's just a good size to have for an island. Now in this case, they chose a waterfall edge. So they took that quartz material on both sides and have taken it all the way down to the floor. It gives it kind of a modern flair. I think it's a very attractive look. And then for the sink, they put an apron front sink to go along with this modern farmhouse theme. It's a porcelain enamel cast iron sink, very durable. Things last nearly forever, but it's that look that really does well. And then on the back side, they put some additional cabinetry for any extra storage items you want. But then they added some LED lighting to help accent the beautiful wainscoting panels they have on the back side of this island. Now this second kitchen is done by Earhart Construction. It's from a custom ranch home they built. This one has volume ceilings as well, but it's a vaulted ceiling. Again, that height adds so much to the space. This one's a slightly smaller kitchen than the one you saw previously, but it's beautiful, plenty of room, a lot of cabinetry. This one, they also put in taller uppers, and they've taken advantage of that ceiling height and brought those all the way up. And then they went with a contrasting look on the colors of the cabinetry. The uppers are done in a white. And then the lower cabinets are done in this lighter stain. Still a modern farmhouse look, but lighter and brighter than the previous kitchen. One thing I want to point out about this one is they've taken these cabinetry and they extended it all the way into the dinette area. Gives you a nice space for a buffet of sorts. You can lay out your platters here, your wine, you can make it a coffee bar. But just the fact that they extended this cabinetry gives you so much more storage, but also that enhanced look to the dinette area. Now this kitchen also has a very large island. It's about 9 feet in length and it's 4 feet in depth. Again, you have plenty of side for both the working side and also the eating side. Now they chose not to do a waterfall edge on this one. They have a finished cabinet look on all 4 sides. Plenty of seating here with a nice overhang. Beautiful apron front sink. Just a beautiful light and bright kitchen with lots of space, big pantry, and a ton of cabinetry. Two different modern farmhouse kitchen looks, but very elegant, both of them.